guaranteed at my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
Matthew, what are you doing? Why are you cutting your hair?
It's getting in the way. I'm using the headphones for Google Classroom, and then this is getting in the way of my headphones.
Oh my god.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit down.
Dad's gonna get mad at you.
Give me the scissors.
It's understandable.
Give me the scissors.
He's gonna say, oh, if it helps you with school, then it's fine.
Is he now?
Matthew, come here.
No. What for?
Oh my god.
It's not even that bad.
Yeah, it's
Come
not that
here.
bad.
No.
I'm gonna just cut this part. That little part that's hanging. Matthew.
No, leave him
I
alone.
wanna cut it.
No. You have a money. That's so Madre mía.
Muchos de los encuestados dicen estar agradecidos con las muestras de cariño que han recibido de la comunidad.
Pero me gritas a mí cuando yo me corto el pelo.
So you're gonna be cooking 3 dishes today?
Yes, I'm gonna be cooking 3. Hopefully they come out good. One is lemon chives chicken, which looks really tasty, with mashed potatoes. There's also tilapia with scallions, sriracha pesto.
With no scallions because my dad ate the scallions.
Right. So that's half a dish. And then this is a bulgogi or bulgogi.
Ooh, bulgogi. No, bulgogi.
Bulgogi. Pork tenderloin with some roasted carrots and rice, jasmine rice. I think that'll be easy because it's two plates of rice and 2 plates of potatoes. So. Should I spray some non-stick for the carrots?
Were you supposed to cut all the carrots like that?
No, some of them were round and some of them were sliced, but it's the same recipe.
Oh, okay. You need more, girlfriend.
I know. This is not seasoning. This is just salt. This is regular black pepper. Is this black pepper?
Ya. No me crees, mira. Yo no sé por qué a ti te miran más como tu mamá que a mí.
Madre, yo dije black pepper, so dije a lo mejor no me entiende.
Que no vaya a
This
llevar
is where
agua
my
a la cuchara.
mom keeps her oil.
Que no vaya a llevar agua
No lleva.
en la cuchara. No se oye bacán. Así se oye. Es que tienen miedo. Pero
Yeah, that was done. Alright guys, look at this spread. Ailyn made 3 HelloFresh meals. How do you feel?
Accomplished. But it was hard.
Your first time really cooking, huh? So now we gotta figure out how to split all of these meals into 6 people.
A
which
bite
is
each. It's
literally a bite each.
like 1 carrot.
The plates look pretty good. We divided it up as good as we could. As evenly as we could. Ooh, I think I need more light for this. Is that better? Ooh, ah. For the outro. Or this. Let's see. No, not really. It's George's little thing. I'll just carry this around with me forever. Alright guys, so I just wanted to jump in at the end of the vlog. Matthew freaking cutting his hair out of nowhere without anybody's permission. And Ailyn cooking for the first time and almost freaking cutting her finger off. Great content we have going on here. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you guys next time.